Alrighty, folks, we are back for part 2.
Runway 24 left.
You can see
24 left,
pushing
taxi,
back
Juliet, 6
right here is going to be Delta 2978 going to Atlanta. 15-year-old 737-832.
So far, she's supposed to be at 4,500, she's at 4,200, altimeter is 2999er. Okay, 15 clean approach, low runway 24 right. 4511, how's your ride on the way down? 511, roger, contact tower, have a good one. Alright, tower, safe flight, we'll see you. Zero Juliet Fox, east of your yard, getting rocked around. What type of the severity of the turbulence? Good so far. Try to go lower or higher? Go in.
978 Cleveland Tower, the wind is 260 at 18, gust 26. Maintain 3,000, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
Hi, Malta. We're still waiting here for the flight to the back.
Okay, full takeoff clearance, hold short, advise, ready.
Oh, sure, we'll let you know we're ready. Go ahead.
Alright, they're finally ready.
West 1274, passing 380, 360. Send to 320, Southwest
my bad.
1274.
Sorry, I didn't even realize I wasn't in focus.
Flight 19, 15 is going to maintain 4,000. Cover to a step on shore. Frontier Flight 19, 15 is going to maintain 4,000.
Inbound from Nashville, Southwest 4511, 8-year-old 737-8H4.
Archer, Delta 2978, pass 2200 for 3,000. 2978 through the far shore, you're ready to contact, I maintain 4,000. Climb to 4,000.
Driver 5228 Cleveland Tower, the wind is 270 at 14, gust 24, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
Heading to New York is Endeavor 5228, 12-year-old CRJ 900LR.
7160, that's good approach. Well. So I just have to type aircraft to request a cruise, not to cruise. Cross Yankee going southwest on to 45 or 65. Your Echo Squawk 4173. 978, contact Cleveland Center 134 point on our take care.
Coming in from Orlando, we have Frontier 1915. Sheldon, the Sea Turtle livery. 1-year-old Airbus A321-271NX.
54 X-ray contact Lakefront Tower 124.3, take care.
Wind is 270 at 17 gust 22, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
Check 4 left, clear for takeoff, check blue. Yes. 1984 center approach, Roger, sir, runway 24 right.
Then heading back to Boston, we have JetBlue 640. I'll put his flight information, aircraft information up on screen.
Contact Cleveland Center 135.1 today.
That's 1 able left on Golf, stay with me.
Left on Golf, with you.
Inbound from Dallas is American 3129, 14-year-old 737-823.
Up keel for the maintain 7,000.
Inbound from Charlotte, we have American 1984, 13-year-old 737-823.
So you say you had no draws, 25 off? Okay, West 47 Junction. Come back with me, we'll figure something out.
So this guy's flight info up on the screen. I think it's United 1992. Not even going to pretend where he's going because I haven't looked that far yet.
775, topping at 330, going to maintain 3,000. 30 on the heading, Delta 775. Last November, last Golf with you, American 18.
Inbound from Atlanta, we have Delta 775. 12-year-old 737-9GP-ER. While we wait for Delta to come in, it should be about a minute or so. Just a heads up, we are going to be trying to get Union Pacific 4014 here coming up in a couple of weeks. Also, B-29 Doc is going to be coming in at the end of May.
At 1992,
I believe the USS Cleveland is also getting dedicated here. I think it's next weekend, so we're going to try to catch that. I know it's a Planes and Trains YouTube channel, but we might throw a boat in there. My grandfather and also my father-in-law were in the Navy, so it's going to kind of be exciting to not really be a part of, but see a United States warship getting dedicated in the namesake city that it's named after. So it'll be exciting. There's Delta.
Rep will cross downfield. Up the Kilo Roger, just got one aircraft that pattern at Cowger County in their Delta, and I'll get your visual clearance. 01, clear tower, go.
Heading to Washington, Envoy 4101, 5-year-old Embraer E175LR.
Envoy 4101, clear tower, runway 24 left, full line up and wait, traffic crossing infield. 24 left, left wait, Envoy 4101. Clear Public Kilo, clear for the visual approach, Lake County Executive advise for cancellation. Clear Public Kilo, you have the traffic in the county airport south side for cancellation of Bound Forest Beach, Club 1200, radar service terminated, beach interference in the care. Wind 260 at 16, gust 28, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff. 24 left, clear for takeoff, runway 4101.
75, clear on hello, Texas Park. Let's go Lima, Juliet 6, Juliet.
Juliet 6, Juliet to Bravo 2 for Delta 775, thanks, have a good day now.
4879, clear ground, right 24 left, taxi, Juliet 6,
Heading to Las Vegas Southwest, 1376, 3-year-old, 737 MAX 8.
Radar contact maintained 7,000. Three Juliet Romeo to maintain 5,000. $25.94, clear approach roll, runway 24 right. $50.45 Eternal both side, but you can continue to maintain 6,000 now. $48.79 contact Cleveland Center 135.1. Good day. Juliet Romeo continue to maintain 4,000. 015, gust 22, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
Heading in from Chicago is American 2594, 26-year-old Airbus A319-132. Also behind him is another plane coming in from Chicago. This one United 2389, 16-year-old 737-824.
Go to Fort Lauderdale, Southwest 1369.
$186 training 120. If you have a left turn golf 3.
Yeah, we got it.
At 2067, collecting a tree 30. Left turn heading 330 United 2067.
G2, you 1369 out of 242, climb and be a good afternoon.
Alpha 1369 departure, good afternoon to you, radar contact.
Heading in from Fort Lauderdale is United 2067, 26-year-old, 737, 824. Was that the dog?
Departure for 606.
Radar contact, maintain 4000.
Up to 4000, Chicken 306.
Delivery 57 right quick, approach, leaving altimeter 200 under 7, try to maintain 3000. For 6 top hotel, try to maintain 4000. We have a 3569, plan runway right.
Heading to Raleigh-Durham, we have Frontier 3072, 8-year-old A320-251N, Flower the Hummingbird.
22, gust 26, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff. 4 left, clear to take off, Frontier flight 3074.
Excuse me.
Quick flight 2715, Cleveland approach, delete speed, runway 248.
South 10, Roger.
Coming in from Fort Myers, we have Frontier 2715, new as of February 2026, Airbus A320-271N, Carl the Coyote.
Get 42 via for altitude script. Forget 3597 airport's 11 o'clock, about 12 miles by ZC. 3597, cross Turk, gas 3000, and clear for approach runway 248. Here's 470, turn left heading 210, intercept low flight.
Inbound from Fort Lauderdale, we have Frontier 3735, 1-year-old Airbus A321-271NX, Yukon the Caribou.
Left turn November, cross runway 24 left, then contact ground point 7. Good day.
Juliet Foxtrot, Roger, 15 crew, flagging away. 470, contact tower 124.5, we'll see you. So 101 radar contact 2 miles southwest of the county airport, turn right to hail.
Road, correction, Cleveland Tower, wind 240 at 16, gust 25, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Inbound from New York, we have Brickyard 3597, 10-year-old Embraer E175LR.
Are you talking about the RMD? Oh, good. Yeah, it looks like I can make it work. Let you know in about 15 more minutes.
24 from the approach and proceed on runway 24 right. Proceed on to runway 24 right, car 4.
Heading to Charlotte, we have American 1974, 14-year-old, 737-823.
American 1974, roger, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff. Taxi to Jets via Foxtrot, Lima, Kilo, Hotel. Jet Cherry 55, Cleveland approach, Cleveland altimeter 2996, plan the visual approach runway 24 right at Lake. Southwest 4444, contact tower 124.5, have a good day. Station 122 Whiskey Yankee Cleveland approach, delete speeds and missed the tail leaving. We're leaving 6 Thank you. And what is your approach to West Lake County? We're like going down Road. Sure, expect that. Taxi Juliet 6.
Inbound from St. Louis Southwest, 4444. 10-year-old, 737-8H4. About to start lining up on 24 left is Frontier 3916, Sheldon the Sea Turtle. Airbus A321-271NX, 1-year-old. About 1.5 years old. I'm going to hand to him as soon as this Southwest comes through.
Juliet 6 to 24 left.
To
44 left in November, hold short, runway 24 left, that's frequency.
4 Lima, American 1981.
Car 4, proceed east side quadrant and monitor ground.
East side quadrant, monitor ground.
There's rate 8 per minute, you taxi via Lima to the end. Jet 751, the airport's 12 o'clock in about 15 miles, but enough for your sequence. You've got 26 from the way to roar right, clear.
This one, operated by FlexJet Operations Malta. Sorry if I mess that one up. We've got a FlexJet FJ062L. Country of registration, I'm gonna guess this is Malta. I gotta look this flag up. 9HIFX. Making a quick jump to CGF, which is only about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes down the road.
Juliet, Oscar 62 Lima, Cleveland Tower, runway 24 left, line up and wait.
Embraer Praetor 600, 6 years old, sorry. Mouth and brain not working again today. It's Sunday. Don't want to go back to work. Unfortunately, we got to. Got to pay the bill somehow.
4.3.
Looks like we got that Delta pushing back too. And I think we got a couple of inbound flights.
Unrestricted.
Maintain 14,000, restricted front user 9. Stand by level 220, flight temperature 3042. 4,000, then turn left, heading 195, clear for takeoff 24 left, left field, 6 to 8. Temperature 3042, good day.
Tower 24 left, line up and wait.
24 left, line up and wait from here we show 5158, taxi me at Juliet, Juliet 5, Lima, and hold short of Juliet 6, I might get one in front of you. Short of Juliet 6 for runway 24 left, 5158. 1349er, plus nearby.
26 Cleveland approach. I'm showing hotel is current, altimeter 2995. You can plan the visual approach, runway 24.
Oh, great, we'll find a little people on that hotel over here, so far.
Contact departure.
Good departure, 6 Lima, bye-bye. Cholo, 6062 Lima, 4,000 feet, heading 195.
Flex Europe, 62 Lima, Cleveland departure, radar contact, turn left heading 070, vectors, visual approach, runway 24.
West 070, vector, visual approach 24, flex Europe, 62 Lima.
24 left, line up and wait.
24 left, line up away, American 1981.
Deliver 2 Whiskey Yankee, just want to maintain 6,000. 6, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
24 left, clear takeoff, American 1981.
Very short, 6, departure.
Departure for here we show 850 on the station.
731 left in November, hold short, runway 24 left for frequency. Radar contact. You're short 26, so to maintain 5,000. In car for just
heading back to Atlanta, we have Delta 775, 12-year-old 737, 9 GP ER.
Turn 15 degrees left. November 2 Whiskey Yankee, after clearance here in about 5 miles, we got traffic behind you going into county.
Coming in from Washington, we have United 1709, 23-year-old Airbus A320 232. We'll be popping up behind that tree at any... There he is.
You're cleared to approach Lake County Airport. Number 2 with TNT on campus, speed swap. Marking provides frequency for cruise. These crossing appears to be one in the pattern, indicating 1,800 75, contact course.
Alrighty, folks, that's going to be it for this episode. Part 2 of Cleveland Hopkins International Airport plane spotting on the Dale's Planes and Trains YouTube channel. Thank you for joining in. Again, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment as well. Everything you guys do for the channel is greatly appreciated, and it helps the channel grow. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you on the next plane spotting adventure. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out of here.